Hello guys, and welcome to another video here on this channel. Today we also care about the Golf because I don't like the pre-owner's taillights, which you can see here, and I already bought some better ones, kind of in GTE style. Here, they look like this. Right, I'll start up the toolkit and we'll see us in a second. Okay, so basically in here are kind of 3 bolts. Okay, so over here is one of them. Alright, and I don't know if you can see, but there is a second one, and there should be a third one, which I'm currently missing for some reason. Okay, first one done. I'm heading over to the second one. Whoops. Right. Let's put this in here so I can access to it. Right. Or should I put this one first? Hope this is good. Is it already loose? Yeah, right. Okay. Okay, let's disconnect this one first. Okay. Alright. Then it's stuck here, and this is also the... This is all over here. Okay, perfect. So let me just put this here. Come on. Why are you stuck in here? Perfect. So the old one is gone. It's time for the new one. Right. So 1, 2. There also is not a third one. All right. The best way here. This here. This is not the way. Okay, perfect. So, where is? It's here. Okay. Okay. Perfect. The other one is pretty loose indeed. Maybe we can try it. Right. Yeah. Nope. It's so sketchy in here. Let's try this first. Definitely not the way. Uh-oh. Right. Okay, then let's use some spares. But they are a little bit bigger. Maybe 9-ish? Nope. Perfect. Okay, we try to put it down here. If it's possible to. Nope. I have to get rid of this one here. Alright. This might have already helped. Let's try. This is so fucked up. Okay, no. It won't fit here. You're actually the same size. Okay. Well, this is a problem. This is a big problem. Alright. I got it back. It's a little bit dirty, but okay. Technically it should go now. So I don't know. Let's see. Almost. Fuck this shit. Never ever need this again here. Okay. Might have been my fault. I guess I've just used the wrong lock. Just some finishing touches. Alright. Oops. And then, check it out. Right, is indeed better. I love them. So, but for now, let's head on to the other side. Okay, perfect. And over here should just be 2 ones. So this over there isn't here. Let's see. Right. So here is the first one. And the second one. Come on. Why is it wet in here? Right. So. Okay, you're just stuck in here. Perfect. And here is the new one. Right. This in here. So wait and try put it over here. Okay, perfect. This side here is so much easier than the passenger side. Okay. Let's start doing it manual, I guess. Alright. And the second one as well. Right. Still need the light bulb holders, but technically it's okay for now. Right. Don't use too much force doing this, otherwise this might break. Right, perfect. This is a big problem for now. Okay. I fixed it. I just had to press this one in here a little bit more. Now it's good again. Let's check it out. Yeah. Looks way better than before, especially with the new wheels. Perfect! I love it. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you do so, feel free to hit the like and the subscribe button. And we will see us in the next video. See you soon. Bye!